Hey guys, Nick here again at Fairfield Garden Center in a different location today. The classroom that I usually use to show off all the products has been overtaken by Christmas displays. It's that time of year again. Christmas is right around the corner, and in keeping with that theme of Christmas and cold weather, I'm going to display a pond de-icer that can help keep your pond from completely freezing over in the wintertime. Let's get started. This is the Laguna Power Heat 500 watt de-icer. It's stainless steel, has an LED light indicator, and it's got 4 thermostats to give a truer temperature so the de-icer doesn't have to constantly turn on and off. What you'll get in the box, simple, you get the directions, and you get the de-icer. The de-icer has a 22-foot long power cord, so you should be able to put it wherever you want in the pond. If you would like to reach us, follow us on Facebook, just search Fairfield Garden Center. Follow us on Twitter at NJFGC. Follow us on YouTube at Fairfield Garden Center. You can also sign up for our emails at fairfieldgardencenter.com. Or if you have a question for me, my email is nick@fairfieldgardencenter.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.